So, I mean, the question that, like, two questions, if I have to kind of try to speak from the founder's perspective, I think the first question that comes to my mind is that, like I said, there is a general perception for B2B software companies who try to build the product. There is a larger perception that, hey, go outside India because that is where your bigger opportunity would lie, and the sales cycles. The price points are going to be very different. You basis what you are seeing, and like you're saying, the tech is need of the hour, people mindset are shifting, even the dealers, you gave example that they are becoming more tech enabled. Would you recommend that founders should start taking this segment far more seriously and start building for Indian enterprises, Indian manufacturers, where they see that they can ride the wave where this tech adoption would only scale up and will not scale down? And this could also be a greenfield opportunity because so far the adoption has been less.
Um, See, a lot of times, if you see, there is a certain indigenization that we have for India, for the software we build in India. I mean, I don't mean to say this in a bad way at all, but Indians are wired different.
Mm.
We, I would say, like the West, literally like Europe, America, these guys think in a very similar way as to what their expectations are, how they work. Yes, they're ready to pay more money for certain things, but why? Because ultimately manpower is an issue there. People
Mm.
are way more expensive than they are here,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
So it comes down to that. But yes, Indians are differently wired when it comes to it. You really have to show them a value proposition.
Mm.
It's very important. It's ingrained in us that we need a very strong value proposition to jump ship. And of course, like all things, certain times that's detrimental to us, and certain times that's very helpful to how we are and where we are as a country today,
Mm.
right? So in India, to answer your question more pointedly, in India, at the end of the day, we need to build software, of course, one that registers in the Indian psyche, which over time, there is enough kind of software you can make for that.
Mm.
But we also need to understand that in India, it's about scale. Anything you do in this country is about scale. It's about mass. It's not about getting that one niche and attacking that niche. I mean, we have we have thousands of dealers,
Mm.
right? And we're practically a small company. And from a market cap point of view, we're a small cap. So the kind of mass that there is over here, I mean, tell me one small cap company
Mm.
comparatively in America, for example, that has such a massive dealer network of humans doing what they do.
Mm.
It's how they function. So if you can make something for India, make sure you're doing something for mass and make the value proposition good. So at the end of the day, you will end up with something. Yes, you might not earn money on that one license cost, but you
Mm.
have that many more people. That's something I would
Mm.
suggest. Obviously, easier said than done. I'm not saying it's easy to do or not easy to do, but I'm just saying, yeah.
Got it. No, fantastic. That's a great insight.